Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm very excited to share with you how I've decorated both my living and dining room for fall. As with most of my decor, I tried to keep everything looking simple and fresh. I did, however, try a new color palette of yellow and orange with just a touch of red, and I have to say I'm enjoying it very much, and I hope you will as well. So there you go, my friends, and that is my fall tour for this year. Like I said before, I am really loving the look. The rooms are bright and colorful the way I like them to be, but at the same time, they have a warm coziness to them, which we all love this time of year. But the best part is I only purchased a few seasonal pumpkins, and the rest of the decor was put together with items I found at the thrift store, which makes me very happy. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up or leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. If you haven't already watched my fall Hutch video, I'll leave a link in the description box so you can check that out if you'd like. And that, my friends, is going to be it for me today. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Bye now.